Hey everybody, I'm Dan Hodgman with Topstep, and today I'm sitting down with probably one of the coolest stories, Mustafa here from California. In less than 2 weeks, he started his trading combine, and as of right now, right when we sat down, he informed me it's $45,000 up in your funded account. 2 weeks. Mustafa, I think that's one of the coolest things I've ever heard. Tell me, how are you feeling about everything?
Yeah, of course I feel great, and as I said, this time I'm gonna protect this 45.
So, just to get an understanding, how long have you been trading?
Actually, I've been trading like with Topstep like almost 2 years,
Okay.
but overall, like I would say 10 years, maybe like experience back and down demo accounts and stuff. I wouldn't take it serious 10 years, but like I've been just checking on the market and how to going and stuff.
That's awesome. And now you're in the forex market. And so, what are some of your favorite pairs that you're looking at?
Like the Australian dollar, uh, the gold sometimes, but it's not my favorite. But the Australian dollar is it's good. Like the uh, pound, yeah,
Okay, that's awesome. So you've you've been funded before. You've lost the funded account. You're back here again, and really, it seems things seem to really be hitting. We kind of talked about this already before we clicked record, but I really want to hear about what you have focused on this time that's allowed you to see these profits.
yeah. First of all, like I would say, you need the discipline and the luck sometimes comes. Like the discipline, like protect the capital, make sure to have a stop loss, and like accept it. If you hit the stop loss, it's part of it. It's fine. Like and wait on the profit trades as long as the market goes. Like no limits. Like I have trades for 3 days with the profit. I didn't close it, so it
Mm-hmm.
just went up up.
So you're focusing on this your strategy. You have an idea when you get into this trade. You know where your take profit's going to be. You know where that stop loss is going to be. And if you can have the discipline to just be patient and let the market do what it's going to do, that's what's going to allow these accounts to grow.
Yeah, that's true.
Before we started recording, you said the stop loss. That is the make or break at this point. And I love when you said that to me because I think when you start to recognize having that stop loss is what's going to help you, because losses, like you just said, are a part of trading. You just have to accept them. And the key is keep them small.
Yeah.
When you're looking to get in a trade, what are some of the things that you're looking for that says it's going to be a good trade?
Uh, Mostly the technical. Like I would avoid like the news before it shows the like the movement. For example, if it's gonna be good news for the US dollar, I'm gonna wait till I hear it. I hear it, I go. But usually I do technical when there's no news in the calendar. Like the technical, I just wait till the time to get in, like close to the support or close to the resistance line. And once I entered, I expect a loss. I put stop loss after the support. Like it's part of the plan.
Mm-hmm.
Usually the technical goes well, but if it didn't, so it means the market change. It's fine. I'll wait for the another chance. There's
Okay.
always chances. Yeah.
Absolutely. The market's always going to give opportunity. If you miss one, that's all right. There's another one that's coming. What
Yeah.
time frame charts do you look at?
Usually, like I do the 4 hours.
Okay, so
Like
you're looking a little bit longer term. Have you found
yeah,
that helps slow things down for you?
yeah. Like the 4 hours, like it's very smooth. Like it doesn't play a lot. Like it doesn't have like bullish candle, then uh, like a bearish candle, then another bullish. It doesn't. It's not messy. Like it's kind of like if you go to the 4 hours or the daily, usually it's clear. Like you see the trend and it's been said like the trend, it's your friend. So
Mm-hmm.
just keep it with the trend. Yeah.
Yeah, I couldn't agree more. Trend is your friend. If you stay with trend, it's all going to start to, it
Yeah.
usually pays out in the long term.
I've been against the trend many times. That's why it's not my first time earning the funded account. But like you learn from your mistake, and there's always opportunity. So this time it went well.
That was going to be my next question. What has changed from the first funded account to now? And it sounds like trading with some trend and just focusing on the stop loss.
Yeah. Actually, I wouldn't say there is something special, like it could be special this time, very special. But as I mentioned, like being disciplined, it's the key factor. After I lost the couple funded accounts, I said, okay, I'm gonna pull back a little bit, check the market, decide when I'm gonna go in, when I'm gonna start the new trading combine, and why this time, especially this time, I wanted to make it so hard. And yeah, yeah, this like and with the discipline, like there is market, and there's other factors, like sometimes you get lucky, but it shouldn't be the deal. Like it's not a gambling business, it's very clear business. Like it's, you can't say like you can't depend on the luck without planning or and being disciplined.
You just said something I want everyone that watches this or hears this to recognize. It is not gambling. This
Yeah,
is clear cut. And yeah, you're going to have these great runs where you make a ton of money in a few days, but really it's going to be a big thing next week or next month when the market starts to go against. How do you control that? It's not gambling, it's strictly trading to your system. And we know that system's working for you right now.
yeah.
Speaking of it working, you're up a lot of money. What are some of
Uh-huh.
your goals that you want to do with this money that you've earned?
Actually, I don't have specific plan because it's kind of like 45,000. It's, for me personally, it's not like kind of very life changing. In California, you can't do anything with it. Probably I'm gonna maybe pay off my car, but I'm not gonna cash. No, I don't want to cash the amount now, and I'm gonna keep it going. Like
Awesome.
next week, I'm sure with the trading combine, I will have like 40,000 protected. If I hit this, like if I broke the rule, I'm gonna have 40K. After the commission, probably I will have something around 30ish. And it's good. It's good money, but it's not what I'm planning. I'm planning to go above further.
I love to
No
hear it.
limit.
I love to hear it,
No
but I
limit.
also love that you have a plan next week, even where your risk is, what you're going to do with it, how you're going to continue to grow this account. If you've got that much money and you're keeping your risk tight, it's going to allow you to continue to grow these accounts. And I love hearing that. My last question for you, we have a lot of traders going through the trading combine. And as you probably know, it's not the easiest thing in the world. So what do you have to say to those that are trying to get through the combine and are struggling a little bit or just getting started? What would be some advice to them?
Actually, I don't want to give them an advice to push them to start the trading combine because they are just excited to start it. Like they need to have a plan, what they want from the funded account, what they really want. They want to make a money, they should have a plan. They shouldn't like fear anything. Like it's funded account, like people earns it. Like
Mm-hmm.
you this is the good thing. Like you don't have to trade with emotion. Like if you didn't make it this time, there is second time, there is third time, there is fourth time. One of my trading combine, if you check my history, maybe I reset over 15 times with the same program, over 15 times, or maybe even more. Like but because I was against the market, against the trend. But it's not the end of the story. My point is, like, there's always second chance, third chance, fourth chance. Probably I made this 45K with my probably eighth chance, but I didn't give up.
Right. You didn't
Yeah,
give up. And I think the lesson here for me is too, it's constantly learning from those mistakes.
yeah,
You've said that multiple times throughout this. And I think that's awesome because that's what trading is. We're going to have ups and downs. We're going to make it. We're going to lose it. And if we just continue to not make the same mistake over and over again and we learn from them, we're going to be able to start to grow these accounts. So I
yeah,
really think that is so important. And I cannot thank you enough for sitting down and chatting with me.
yeah. Of course, Dan. Happy to help.
Well, everybody, thank you for listening. On that note, we're going to sign on out.